Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2019 Mitsubishi MR GLX Plus Triton. I'm going to walk you around and show you some of the features and the condition of the vehicle. Starting off at the front, as you can see, it is Mitsubishi's newly designed front end for these Tritons, probably the best design yet. Got the Triton take on the dynamic shield look all over the front there with the plastic grilling and that 3D Mitsubishi badging right in the middle there. Headlights are very sharp and you've got a projector beam in there as well, giving you a very clear beam of light. Just under that we've got fog lights and indicators just built into that little panel there. If we make our way onto the first alloy wheel, very nice design, very subtle but well practical wheel on these MR Tritons. You do get the massive side step on these on the MR model as well, giving your back seat and front seat passengers really easy assistance when getting in and out of the car. We've got plastic side mirrors and door handles. The indicator is also built into the side fender there. Opening it up, inside you get vinyl flooring, making it very easy to clean when you are getting in and out of the car on the work site. And you've also got really nice grey and black fabric seats. Make your way along the back now. Being the MR, you do get an extra bit of lift on the front and back of the vehicle in comparison to previous Triton models. And if we make our way along to the back, just having a look inside the tub, you've got plenty of space in there. Something I would recommend though is ask us about the tub liners, because that's just going to help prevent dents, scratches and any kind of major damage to your tub. We've got the reverse camera on the tailgate there, and just underneath on the rear bar you do also get the color matched ultrasonic sensors. Really nice design taillights as well. We've got the LED strip running through the middle there. So very sharp car, very nicely designed. I'm not going to spend too long on the actual condition of the vehicle, because on this kind of kilometers you would expect the condition to be pretty much spot on. What we'll do now though is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. The power output, the ANCAP safety rating of these Tritons is 5 stars. The power output is 133 kilowatts with a torque rating of 430 newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 75 litres and gives you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.9 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on what you're towing and your driving conditions, of about 949 kilometers from a full tank. Look inside the Triton now. On the driver's side door here you do get your power window controls. Just above that is the lock button for your windows. On the right hand side here you've got the forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning and traction control settings. Just above that is the toggle for your power mirrors. Down the right hand stalk we've got our indicators and automatic headlights, and on the left hand stalk here we've got our washers, wipers, and the front wipers are actually rain sensing, so automatic. On the steering wheel, very nice vinyl steering wheel you get. It's got your cruise control settings on the right with the speed limiter setting as well, and the two buttons that let you scroll through the digital display between the cluster. Now on the left hand side we've got our media controls and your hands-free call settings. Moving on into the center display, Mitsubishi's updated entertainment system. When you put it into reverse, you do get a nice rear view camera there where you can see the rear bar, and if you did put a tow bar on it, you can actually see the tow bar nice and clearly. In terms of your media, you've got AM and FM radio, you've got 2 USB inputs, a HDMI input, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below that, your climate control, so you can set a temperature and the car will regulate it for you. Parking sensors just under here as well. 2 USB inputs, a HDMI input, and a covered 12-volt socket. Now there is a little bit of storage just under there if you did want to keep your phone while it's plugged in. The shifter itself, when you bring it down into drive and bump it to the right, you can actually switch through the gears manually using the sports shifter. Just back here, your Super Select 4-wheel drive system, so 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. You've got the hard handbrake and that leather wrapped center console. When you open it up, there is actually a 12-volt socket in there and plenty of storage. Just behind here again, you have got an insert if your backseat passengers did want to store their phones or something. Not going to spend too long on the condition of the interior because it is a near new car. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Triton. Now it is an incredible work vehicle, so please do your part and protect it. Ask us about the accessories we have available, and also ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork against a variety of environmental damages. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It's going to give you an extra 5 years on top of your new car warranty on a cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, so plenty of value in that package. Now, although they are additional costs, Mario or Julie would love to talk to you about our finance packages and make one for you that will suit your needs. Now, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us and have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 990 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us, we make the process easy, and we ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So once again, the number is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.